Yo, what's inyo mga tol? Panibagong video na naman na mga tol. Ngayong araw nga mga tol. May bagong na trade. Si Ja Morant napunta siya sa Portland, no? Show. Si Ja Morant napunta. Then may mga bago rookie na tayo dito, no? Complete na. Andito si EJ Jebansa sa Wizard. Ito yung First pick drop. No. Second naman, nasa Utah Jazz. Hanapin natin. Utah Jazz. Ayun, no. Hanapin natin si Darren Peterson, second pick. Chelsea second pick. Yung third pick naman ay hanapin natin. Nasa Memphis Yun, si Cameron Bozia. Yung, naman guys, yung fourth overall pick na si Caleb sa Bursch yun. Yun, si Caleb Wilson. Yung pick naman, hanapin natin. Yun, to. Ano to, Michael or Mickey? Brown Jr.? 6 overall pick. Sunod naman ay nasa Sacramento. Saan na yun? Ito pala, si Darius. Akap yun. Yan. And yung nasa Atlanta naman, no? Atlanta Hawk. Saan na yun? Ito, ayun. Si Kingston Clemens. 8 overall pick na pala siya. Next naman hanapin natin yung 9 overall pick na sumab sa ata. Ano yun? Yun, si Maurice Johnson. Ito siya 9 overall pick. Hanapin natin yung 10 overall pick nasa Milwaukee Bucks. Yun, ito si Bryden Boris Paris. Yan siya, 10 overall pick. Marami pa yan sila guys. 1 to 60 na mga rookie na bago na draft. Complete rookies. Mga bagong rookie, complete na to. Hindi ko na siya paparita lahat.
And so the tip-off, it's Miami. Here's Antetokounmpo. 6 to shoot. Here's Paul. it just before the shot clock expires. On defense, Miami. Jumper off the screen, and he hits the jump shot.
Great job of utilizing that screen and finding space to knock down the jumper. Good basketball.
And just about a minute into the first quarter. Here's Antetokounmpo. Here's Powell. From deep. Cannot hit. Off the pick. And Miami has possession. So first quarter just over a minute and a half in. And the basket inside. The jump hook. Jokic. Oh, he's got it!